Motorola has launched its latest One series smartphone called the Motorola One 5G in the US. As the name suggests, the Motorola One 5G is a mid-range smartphone with 5G support. Notably, the Motorola One 5G is the first smartphone in the Motorola One series to feature support for 5G connectivity. The Motorola One 5G features dual punch-hole selfie cameras, quad rear cameras, a high refresh rate display, stock Android and more as its highlights. Other key features of the Motorola One 5G include a massive 5000 mAh battery and side-mounted fingerprint scanner. The Motorola One 5G ships with a 6.7-inch IPS screen featuring an FHD Plus resolution and dual punch-hole cutouts in the top left corner. The CinemaVision display offers a 90Hz refresh rate, 21:9 aspect ratio, and HDR10 support. There a layer of Corning Gorilla Glass 5 on top for protection. The latest launch has the Snapdragon 765 SoC ticking at its core with the Snapdragon 1052 modem for 5G connectivity. The Motorola One 5G comes in a single variant with 4GB RAM and 128GB storage, which can be expanded up to 1 TB using a microSD card. The Motorola One 5G features a quad camera setup on the back with a 48-megapixel primary camera. The main lens is accompanied by an 8-megapixel 118-degree ultra-wide lens, a 5-megapixel macro sensor, and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. In the front, there is a 16-megapixel camera backed by an 8-megapixel wide-angle lens. The smartphone boots stock Android 10 out of the box and is backed by a 5000 mAh battery. The battery comes with support for 20W turbo power fast charging. On the connectivity front, the Motorola One 5G offers 5G, 4G VoLTE, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, NFC, USB Type-C, and 3.5mm headphone jack. The Motorola has not announced the price of the smartphone yet, but it is said to be priced under $500 Rs $36,700 in the US. The smartphone will be available through AT&T and Verizon. Verizon has announced that it will launch a 5G ultra-wideband network-compatible variant of the handset in October. Motorola is offering One 5G in a single Oxford blue color variant.